following is a demonstration of the toughness of IPEX Bionax PVCO pipe. In this demonstration, 6-inch IPEX Bionax pressure class 235 and 6-inch class 350 ductile iron were put under identical tests in an effort to determine the ruggedness of the materials. Ductile iron was chosen as a benchmark for comparison, as it is generally considered in the industry as a tough pipe material. New 6-inch samples of Bionax and ductile iron were brought to a sand pit for this demonstration. The initial test involved hitting both pipes with a sledgehammer. The sledgehammer bounced off of the Bionax pipe without causing any damage. When the ductile iron was hit, the pipe became dented and the inner cement mortar lining broke off locally. The pipes were then impacted with the bucket of a Kobelco 370. The ductile iron became permanently deformed and developed a crack at the point of impact. Additionally, the cement mortar lining broke off the pipe. The same impact was done on Bionax with no detrimental effects on the pipe. Bionax was then put under additional stress by hitting it with the blade of the bucket. This did create a stress mark on the pipe. Ductile iron was not subject to this additional test. The final portion of the demonstration involved running over the pipes with the Kobelco 370. The ductile iron experienced catastrophic failure in this test. Bionax was not only run over by the Kobelco 370, but the pipe was twisted when one track grabbed it prior to the other one. Even with this additional strain, no cracks were visible. However, there were obvious stress marks on the pipe. We then did a pressure test on the Bionax pipe. Standard end caps and PVCO joint restraints were used. You can see the stress marks from the previous tests, both running over it with the Kobelco and hitting it with the bucket. This piece of Bionax is pressure rated to 235 psi. We pressurized it to 260 psi and it passed. You can also see the pipe re-rounded itself. Subsequent to this test, this piece of Bionax was pressure tested to 500 psi at our Langley IPEX manufacturing plant. For additional information or any questions, please contact IPEX directly at 604-534-8631 or email me at jefphi@ipexna.com. Thank you very much.